Hey, welcome back to another video today for Profit Pals Pro inside of my back office. Just going to show you around a little bit why I love this system so much, how simple it is. Everything you need is in one central location, super simple to navigate, get started. Before I do, I want to welcome a brand new team member who just signed up with me and joined last night, James from Canada. Welcome aboard, James. You're definitely in the right place at the right time. This is the perfect time to get started in your very own home-based business, wrapping up a wonderful year 2025 as we get ready to start a brand new year. There's no better time than to begin a new year with a new opportunity like Profit Pals Pro. Very simple, very duplicatable, very affordable, $50 plus a one-time $14.95, admin fee $64.95 out the door, and it's very scalable. Okay, start from where you are. There's so many places that you can take this and share this and advertise this, and they all work. This is a very high converting offer, tons of value for such an affordable price point. Tons and tons of value. So when you get started, you'll have access after you complete steps 1 and 2, which is your $50 membership and your $14.95 admin, okay? So you will go ahead and click Get Started. You're going to watch this walkthrough video. It's 17 minutes and 48 seconds long. Please don't take any shortcuts. Remember, there's no shortcuts when it comes to success. Watch every minute of it. It'll be well worth your time. This way you're going to know exactly what to do and how to do it for the best results. So you can start earning and generating instant pay, $50 commissions, the potential to do that over and over like I've been doing all year long, okay? So you do that first and foremost, then you go to your profile. You will complete the information down below. You'll have your own ID that's assigned. Mine happens to be 743. You will see 3 sales pages. We have a brand new one here I'm going to highlight in today's video because I absolutely love it, and there is no doubt in my mind it's going to continue to serve me very well, and it's going to serve you very well, and I highly encourage you to use it as soon as you get started. It's a brand new sales page, splash page, link number 3. There it is right there, and I'm going to show it to you here before I conclude today's video. So this is what you do for your profile. This is where you track your downline. This is some of your marketing ideas. Now you're going to join our paid Facebook group for members, paid members Facebook group. There's going to be a wealth of additional resources in there for you to be able to use to advertise. Okay, so here's the marketing. Here's a wonderful flyer that you can download if you want to do anything in terms of direct mail. Here are business cards, postcard gallery, okay, beautiful templates for you to use. Here's text ads 1, 2, 3, and 4 that you can use. You can text these to somebody if you would like to. Here's a great email swipe. If you have any type of email list, any type of a semblance of an email list, a warm list, a regular list, folks, this is what to swipe and deploy and use. You just simply copy and paste it into the body of your email. There's the subject and there's the email body. All right. Here's the ultimate ad generator. I love this tool. You can use this for safe lists and solo ads in your own email list and any kind of email list, any kind of mailing list, an FFA confirmation email, a personal email. Doesn't matter. Any kind of email or email list. All right. Warm market. Look at these. All you do is click on this little icon and then generate the ad. It's going to pull up with a subject line and an ad copy. And then your link is clickable. Make sure it's clickable. Make sure you check it and test it before you send it off. Okay, look, click there. See, there's another new email. Click, generate. Look, there it is. Okay, so pre-written emails, these work like a charm. You just want to use them and use them wisely, use them consistently for the best results. Alrighty, so you do that. Banner ads, you can use these anywhere you want. A great resource for banners is topsurfer.com. That's TOPSURFER.com. They do banner ads, and all you have to do is grab the code, copy and paste it, and go to a site like topsurfer.com and get yourself some banner ads if you like banner ads, okay? Now there's a lot of other resources, folks. I like to use social media. YouTube, stay, is my personal favorite. It's free. I don't do any paid YouTube ads. Facebook, I posted on my timeline. I posted in the stories. And when you go into our Facebook group for paid members, you're going to see some great Facebook text and great Facebook images that you can use and upload to your Facebook. They work very, very, very well. Okay? So that's why you definitely want to request to join the Facebook group, folks, and use all these resources in addition to those solo ads, Herculist, Udemy, udimi.com for clicks, and Herculist, topsurfer.com, folks. There's a lot of resources out there for you. And you partner up with me, we'll connect. I'll share with you exactly what I do, what I've been doing to get consistent signups, and exactly what I use. My two best free methods are by far YouTube and Facebook. Very, very simple, okay? And then there's a lot of different resources here as well, all right? So here is the marketing. There's the leaderboard. I'm currently sitting at number 3 right there. And then you can go right in and check the product. This is where you're going to access your product called the 5K formula. So I've been using the system most of the year, consistently earning with it. Got me, ranked in the number 3 spot of the leaderboard. So I'm quite pleased with that. And I can absolutely help you. There's the product. The CEO Wealth Formula, 5K Formula. You download it right here. Here's additional downloads, the MP3 course, Make Money or Make Excuses, which are, really the only choices that you have in this life. You can either make money or you can make excuses, but unfortunately, it's impossible to make money out of excuses. So if you're looking at this, folks, asking yourself, does this work? Yes, it does. If you work it, we give you everything you need to make a go of this, to make this work, to consistently earn with it like I've been doing all year, okay? And I can absolutely help you to do that. Like I said, I'll share with you exactly what I do. There's no learning curves. It's super simple. Plug and play, literally plug and play, automated. The videos do the telling, selling, and explaining. They'll do the same thing for you. So here's all your training. Okay, Make Money or Make Excuses is a phone training course. Here's your downloads, 1, 2, 3, and 4, additional training in the product. We've got Mentors in Motion, Makers of Millionaires, over 3 hours of pure value, pure content worth $4.99. You're getting it for $50 one time. Okay, look at all this. Look at all this. The Legends, a magazine library, Millionaires Online. They're going to spill the beans and reveal how they went from scratch to 6 and 7 figures. They're going to share their secrets with you, okay? So you might want to take some notes, tune into this, folks, and then take it and apply it and implement it. That would be my best advice. And then we conclude with 4 wonderful mindset videos, okay? How to attract prospects to you, mindset transformation, personal development. It's all here, folks, for $50. Okay, absolutely incredible. Okay, and then we got a special bonus offer. This is totally optional. It's a lead management and capture page system that is commissionable, that you can pick it up for $100, resell it, keep $100. So every new customer that comes through, you have the potential to increase and boost your commissions from 50 to 150. Yes, I did pick this up and I do have this as well, all right? And this is everything it comes with. So you can check all this out, folks, all this out. Build an autoresponder, everything you need for success, okay? Totally optional, totally well worth it. I highly recommend it, okay? Capture pages, they're, all right here for you to pick and choose from, whichever one you like, all righty? We got the lead manager, we got the link creator, the link archive. That's all part of the special bonus offer. That's all part of the lead management and lead capture page system, additional tools and features. And then we have our additional downloads here, folks, okay? Additional value, there's 10 of these right here. Additional bonuses. And this is an additional bonus too. The bonus, the Millionaires Online Audio Downloadable Library, okay? Click on Magazine Access. You're going to get incredible audio interview right here with Stan Harris. Okay? Plus Unlocking the Master Key System, a 24-part self-study course broken down into 6 simple parts for you to easily download. Okay? So there you go, folks. 6 parts right there for easy download. Additional bonus. Amazing. There's just so much value here, folks. It's really quite amazing, and I want to share something with you before I conclude. Okay, the Office Annex. This is a great offline resource. Done for you postcards for Profit Pals Pro. Okay, this is a great time to start this and continue this well into the new year, into January, as we begin a brand new year, tax season, ideal time for postcard marketing. So we just click on that little search icon and we type in Profit Pals Pro. And then we search it out, and there's business cards done for you. There's flyers that are done for you. And there's postcards that are done for you. You can order these right from this site, theofficeannex.com, okay? So, folks, there's something here for everybody to fit and suit your specific needs, your specific budget, how you like to take this and advertise it and share it offline, online. You can combine the best of both worlds. You can do both. You can incorporate social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. There's really no limitations, okay? So just wanted to share that with you. So where I want you to go next is you'll go to my website, dailypaybeginshere.com. I'm going to drop that in the link below, dailypaybeginshere.com. You'll come through, you'll check it out, you'll watch the explainer videos, and then you'll click a little button to join, okay? And it'll take you to my main sales page. You'll scroll down to the very bottom of that, and when you're ready, you will complete steps 1 and 2. Pay me the $50. I do take Square, debit credit cards, and I have PayPal. I have Wise, if you're outside of the country. Super flexible. This is global. It's worldwide. You'll follow steps 1 and 2. $50 to me and $14.95 to the admin. For $64.95, folks, you can be up and running today. All right. So this is what it's going to look like. Dailypaybeginshere.com. Alrighty. Let it pull up. And you'll just enter your name, email, and click show me the video. Now here's the brand new sales page. I love this. I absolutely love this. I know you are going to as well. So let me go back here. Sorry about that. We have to go back here to the dashboard. We're going to go to our instructions. We're going to go to our profile. And we're going to pull up the link right here. Okay. So brand new page, folks. Ready for financial shift in 2026. This is perfect for this time of year, folks. Okay. You're going to keep all the money. You'll see my name here, Marybeth Angelella. You'll be able to watch this short video here, Instant 50s to Infinity. You can position yourself to earn unlimited $50 instant pay commissions. Watch this video, okay? Here's another video, another great video that's going to explain how you can get paid, the potential to earn daily, earning 100% commissions, okay, with this type of potential monthly. You'll come down here. This is me. This is my video right here. Start earning extra cash before the holidays, folks. The sooner the better. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can have some extra cash coming in to help you support and fund your Christmas 2025. Okay? Yeah, see me? This is me right here. I love YouTube. YouTube serves me very well. You can find me, lots of Profit Pals Pro videos on my channel here, Retire with Marybeth. You'll want to review all this information here. Check this all out. Earn while you learn. This is perfect, folks. This is absolutely perfect. And yeah, when you succeed, we succeed too. Here's the product. Here's everything here. There's my little picture, my email, my phone. You have any questions, text or call me. And you can create infinite $50 pay lines. This is direct member to member, instant pay commissions, okay? So very simple. Everything is fully explained. You want to get started. This is where you're going to click. Okay. And this is the page you're going to see once you come through my site. You'll review all of this. There'll be a couple more videos to check out. We've got a little calculator, fun calculator, play around, illustrative purposes only. And then you'll see some testimonials. I'm in here as well. Okay. Yeah, there I am right there. Okay, see? Click on any of these little arrows. Do check these out. Listen to what other happy, satisfied customers have to say about the PPP, Profit Pals Pro. And for more information and insight about the product, click here to play. Do check that out. Everything you're getting highlighted. Click here to see the package. Do that. and then follow steps 1. Okay, see, I'm a double blue diamond. I've ranked advanced numerous times, folks, this year. I can help you to do the same thing too if this is what you aspire to do. And see, I take Square, Cash App, PayPal, and Wise and Venmo, all right? And then we do step 2. That's where you're going to do your $14.95 admin right here with Stripe. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and use this email address and send proof of payment to the admin. You'll use my name and my number, which happens to be right here. And for some reason, if you can't do that, connect with me. I'll send it for you on your behalf. I've done it for lots of new members, okay? So thank you so much, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you soon on the inside. Welcome in advance to Profit Pals Pro. Happy holidays 2025. See you soon on the inside, I hope. Bye-bye.